Discover how mutual funds open doors to market participation for all investors, regardless of their starting capital. Benefit from expert management and diverse investment options. Mutual funds operate like a trust. Investors contribute money, which is then invested in various assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Pooling resources. Many investors contribute small amounts, creating a large pool of capital for investment. Professional management. Experienced fund managers handle the investment decisions, leveraging their expertise for higher returns. Diversification. Investments are spread across different assets, reducing risk and increasing potential for growth. Understanding mutual fund units. Imagine a group of friends buying a pizza together. Each person contributes to the cost and receives a share of the pizza, representing ownership. Investment. Investors contribute money to the fund. Units. In return, they receive units of the fund, representing their share of the collective investment. Ownership. Each unit represents a portion of the fund's assets, giving investors ownership in the underlying investments. Net asset value, NAV. The NAV is the value of each unit in a mutual fund. It's calculated daily by dividing the fund's total asset value by the total number of outstanding units. Fund assets includes the market value of all the stocks, bonds, and other securities held by the fund. Fund liabilities includes expenses, fees, and other charges associated with running the fund. NAV per unit determines the current price of each unit in the fund, reflecting the value of the underlying investments. Benefits of mutual funds. Professional management. Fund managers handle investment decisions, leveraging their expertise and resources. Diversification. Spreading investments across different assets reduces risk and enhances potential returns. Liquidity. Investors can easily buy or sell units in the fund, providing flexibility and access to their investments. Transparency. Funds provide regular updates on their performance and holdings, ensuring investor accountability. Selecting the right mutual fund is crucial for achieving your investment goals. Consider your investment horizon, risk tolerance, and desired returns. Mutual funds offer various types catering to specific investment goals and risk profiles. Some popular categories include equity, debt, and balanced funds. Equity funds invest primarily in stocks, offering higher potential returns but also higher risk. Debt funds invest mainly in bonds, offering lower returns but with more stability and lower risk. Balanced funds diversify investments between stocks and bonds, aiming for a balanced approach to risk and returns. Mutual funds provide an accessible platform for individuals to invest in the market. They are a suitable option for both beginner and experienced investors. Research. Identify your investment goals, risk tolerance, and suitable fund options. Select a fund. Choose a fund that aligns with your investment profile and goals. Invest. Purchase units of the fund through a broker or online platform. Monitor performance. Regularly review the fund's performance and make adjustments as needed. We appreciate you taking the time to join us today. Your participation and engagement have been invaluable. We hope the information and insights shared have been helpful in furthering your understanding of mutual funds. We look forward to seeing you again soon.